week 4, and this is redox reaction. Alright, we'll go straight to the definition of redox reaction. We'll talk some things under oxidation, then we'll enter reduction. We call it a day. I want to do this as quick as possible. So for redox reaction is the combination of both oxidation and reduction. In case they ask you what is the combination of both reduction and oxidation, it is this. Redox reaction is the combination of what? Oxidation and what? Reduction. So that is redox reaction. So let us proceed. We'll go to oxidation, then we'll say reduction. Now let me tell you something under oxidation. In oxidation it loses electrons. So oxidation loses what? Electrons. So pen down, loses what? Or lose electrons. Gains electron. Okay, oxidation loses electron, reduction gains electron. So oxidation, now it is the gain or the addition of oxygen. It is the gain or addition of what? Oxygen. This one here, so reduction one loses what? Oxygen. I hope you are following me. Another one is what? It loses what? Hydrogen. Gains hydrogen. Alright? Okay, when you now go into electropositive and electronegative elements, when you go into electropositive and electronegative what? Element. Okay? So we can continue this. Electropositive and electronegative element. In oxidation, it will gains electronegative element. Electronegative element. So let us continue. Make sure you are listening. Since oxidation gains electronegative element, you will know that it loses what? Electropositive element, or it is the addition of electronegative element, then it is the what? Loss of what? Electropositive element. Therefore reduction. So reduction basically is the opposite of oxidation. So that's what you should get. Reduction is the opposite of oxidation. So you will know that in reduction it loses electronegative element and gains electropositive element. Now let us now talk about oxidizing agents. We'll talk about oxidizing agents and we'll talk about reducing agents. Reducing agents. Can we continue? So let us talk about oxidizing agents and reducing agents. In oxidizing agent, pen down. Alright, oxidizing agent is one which is reduced. Oxidizing agent is one which is reduced. So if you know, you can just make it like, is it a table? Make it like a table. Or put oxidizing agent to one side, put reducing agent to one side. So if you know oxidizing agent is one which reducing agent is one which is oxidized. Alright, okay. Another one is one whose oxidation number decreases in the positive direction. In oxidizing agent, it is one which oxidation number decreases in the positive direction. So anything that decreases in the positive direction now is oxidation number. Then you will now know that reducing agent is what? Is one which oxidation number increases in what? The positive direction. Another one is an electron acceptor. Are you getting me now? Oxidizing agent is an electron acceptor. But when we're talking about normal oxidation, we saw that it is what it loses electron. But when it comes to oxidizing agent, it's an electron acceptor. So reduction is what reducing agent is what loses electron, or is an electron donor. It's an electron donor. And that thing we'll go to before we round up is one which oxidizes another substance. Okay, it is one which oxidizes another substance. So if you know it is one which oxidizes another substance, the for reduction is going to be the total opposite, which is one which reduces a substance or reduces another substance. So this is what we call it a day for redox reaction. But get ready, I'll bring out our gravitational field very soon for week 4, then we'll continue before the end of the year. Alright, so see you guys in my next class. Remember that I teach special WhatsApp classes. If you want to speak with me, you want me to teach you personally, you contact my WhatsApp number 08024072621. Remember this, understanding science. If your friends have not followed or subscribed, remember to tell them to do it now. Jam is coming very soon. Alright, see you guys in our next class.